Kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well and welcome to 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading about love or romantic love situation. Just take what resonates for you and leave the rest. Hindi po to 100% accurate para sa'yo. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. And please tap the bell for updates from this channel. Maraming salamat sa iyo, Aquarius. Tingnan natin kung anong energy ng person mo towards you. Energy ng person mo towards you, Aquarius. Okay. Okay. Your person parang gusto makipag-ayos ng person ninyo sa inyo, Aquarius, no? Parang nagkaroon ng conflict or merong mga hidden, no? Na nangyayari with your person. Merong sense of deception also. Okay? And this is something na parang gustong i-ask ng forgiveness ng person ninyo sa inyo. Okay? Gusto makipag-ayos ng person ninyo sa inyo, Aquarius. Okay? Yeah. Mahal mo yung tao na to, but for now, it seems na you are trying to get, no? Parang gusto mong kunin yung trust uli ng person mo. Okay? Or this is you, Aquarius. Okay? Your person gustong makipagbati sa inyo. Okay? Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo, your person wants to be with you, no? Gusto kang makasama, no? Parang hindi nyo ma-express ang inyong nararamdaman sa isa't isa. Okay? Merong fears in the situation or uncertainty. This is something na kailangang ayusin, no? Ninyong dalawa, for some of you. Okay? Yeah. Pag-aayos. Also, yung mga responsibilities, no? Kung ano yung mga dapat ninyong gawin sa isa't isa for you. I mean, for both of you. Okay? Yeah. And you, Aquarius, you are looking forward also na i-meet or makita or makasama yung person mo. Okay? You are doing some research, getting information, no? Kung anong nangyayari sa person mo, Aquarius. Okay? Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, may nakukuha kayo ng mga news or balita, something like that, about your person. Okay? But it seems para sa inyo, parang na-overcome mo na yon, and now, parang merong healing or paghilom, no, sa inyong sitwasyon, emotionally. Okay? Naglo-look forward ka na maging maayos ang inyong sitwasyon. Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, yung challenge is communication. Yeah, walang transparency or hindi ganun ka-open ang communication sa isa't isa. Okay, tingnan natin. Yeah. Parang merong cycle, no, or phase sa inyong relationship na nag-end. And now, parang naglo-look forward kayo na mag-improve ang inyong relationship, ang inyong communication, okay? You are also looking forward, no, na magkaroon ng tunay na, alam mo yung parang maibalik yung faithfulness sa isa't isa, okay? Yeah. Also, Aquarius, your person is looking forward to see you, okay? Kung kayo ay magkalayo, no? Yeah. Waiting for you, okay? Para mabigyan siya ng kapanatagan ng loob. That is for some of you. No? Merong sense of renewal also, no? Sa isang relationship, sa inyong relationship. Kung meron man conflict before, no? Merong ngayong renewal, no? Pagbabalik, panunumbalik, no? Yeah. The moon, tingnan natin. Yeah. Okay. So, merong mga petty arguments for some of you. Like, yung sa person ninyo, parang gusto niya ng certainty. Kasi feeling niya parang hindi ganun ka-stable ang inyong connection or ang inyong relationship. Yeah. Merong pag-uusap for some of you or dispute or uncertainty that maybe your person, there is another person involved. Okay? Yeah. So, minsan may mga arguments, no, or fighting na nangyayari. Yeah. And gusto to ng person mo, Aquarius, na ayusin to. Okay? Yeah, merong fear yung person mo. Meron siyang sense. Merong insecurity na nararamdaman yung person mo, Aquarius. Okay? And yung iba sa inyo, kung meron ka mang uncertainty or confusion, no, or doubt sa inyong relationship, yun yung gustong ayusin din ng person mo. Okay? Yeah. 2 of Cups. Yeah. So, I think expression of love, no? Parang this is something na parang kailangan ibalik sa inyong relasyon or sa inyong connection. Okay? Merong pagkakaisa, unity, kumbaga, or oneness, no? You complete each other, no? Nagko-complement kayong dalawa. And I think this is the challenge kasi parang merong laging fightings or arguments because of, for some of you, this is a third party or friends, no? Maybe for some of you, Aquarius, yung person mo is dealing with a lot of friends, party, drinks, something like that. And ito yung nagiging dahilan ng inyong problema. Okay? Yung parang hindi kayo nagkakaintindihan, walang pagkakaunawaan, and this is the problem. Okay? 3 of Cups. Okay. Yeah. So, parang yung person mo, wala siyang choice, kundi kailangan iwasan niya yung situation na nagbibigay sa inyo ng disappointment or frustration. Okay? So, I think yung person mo, gusto niyang ayusin ngayon ang kanyang sarili, no? Maybe with his or her friends, or kung meron, kung ano man to, maybe a third party, no? Na gusto niyang iwanan, okay? For the sake na maibalik or magkaroon kayong dalawa ng kaayusan. Okay? So, your person, Aquarius, is also apologetic. Okay? Meron ding pagsisisi sa part niya na nabigyan niya kayo ng sama ng loob. 2 of Wands, tingnan natin. Okay. Yeah. So, you Aquarius, it's like parang you feel, parang hindi mo kontrolado yung person mo. You are hoping na merong pagbabago na mangyari. You are hoping that your person will take action, no? Para ayusin niya yung sarili niya at magiging maayos ang inyong samahan. Okay? Yeah. Yeah. You are hoping na magkaroon ng action, merong realization sa person mo. The Sun, yes. Merong realization. Okay, for some of you, you might be dealing with a Sagittarius or a Leo, Aquarius, okay, Taurus. For some of you, Cancer, Libra. Or Scorpio. Okay. Yeah. So, you are looking forward, no? Mahal mo yung tao na to, Aquarius, pero at the same time, gusto mo na magbago siya. Gusto mo na parang magkaroon siya ng sarili niyang desisyon na talagang magbago na siya and maging, maging magkaroon ng kaayusan. If your person has a problem because of friends or drinks, parang kailangan ng moderation, balance, yeah. Balance sa friends, balance din sa inyo, kumbaga. You want fairness, Aquarius, for some of you. Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, you have a child with this person. Okay, you are thinking about your child or your children. No? Page of... Yeah, the Magician. Yes. Okay. Yeah. So you want your person, Aquarius, to take charge, of the situation. And kung if you are most especially if you are dealing with a man, parang gusto mo yung gawin niya kung anong responsibility niya as a King of Swords, or maybe he as a father of your child or children, parang gusto mong gawin niya kung anong responsibility niya, mag-take charge, with the family, and being fair with you. Okay? Yeah, this is what you want, This is what you want to communicate with your person. Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo, the problem is, the challenge is, you feel that your person is manipulating you. Okay? Doing something and parang sinasabi niya sa inyo yung kabaliktaran, something like that, and you are parang kumukuha ka ng mga impormasyon, nagsaspy ka or stalking, for some of you. Okay? Yeah. Yeah, Ace of Swords. So gusto mo yung clarity, sa inyong sitwasyon. You want to know the truth. And this is what you will get, There will be healing in your situation. There will be clarity, kung anong nangyayari, with your person. You are looking forward na magkaroon ng inyong kaayusan. Okay? For some of you, there is something that you are wishing and you are thinking about it already. And there is a success in there. Okay? You feel na parang ano yung pinapanalangin ninyo is parang binigay sa inyo for some of you. Merong sort of success or breakthrough here. Okay? Yeah, the Knight of Cups. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yung iba sa inyo, your person will be expressing this to you. Yung iba sa inyo, merong invitation na matatanggap. Yeah. Okay? This is something na parang answered prayer or something na parang napakinggan ang inyong panalangin. Okay? There is a sense of victory here. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, kung ano man yung challenge na nangyari sa inyo, na overcome ninyo. That is why merong healing, merong illumination in your situation. Kaliwanagan. Merong paghilom, sa inyong sitwasyon. Okay? Okay. Yeah. So, Aquarius is okay. Okay. Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, yes, meron talagang deceit na nangyari, deception, dishonesty, For some of you, there is someone involved, A third party, okay? Yeah, you feel that your person is expressing this to someone else. You feel that your person is lying, cheating, something like that. Okay? But think about your relationship. You are thinking about long-term, sa inyong relationship. Okay? So, you need transparency with this person. You need parang kailangan yung pag-usapan, Kung ano talaga ang nangyayari sa inyong sitwasyon, paano paano ma-improve ang inyong relationship, no? Commitment and long-term is what you need, no? Long-term relationship, commitment, honesty, loyalty. This is what you need from your person, Aquarius. Okay? So, I think there is something na kailangan mong gawin, like, i-express mo kung ano yung nararamdaman, okay? Mo, no? About the situation. Kung meron man, talk about it. Maybe there is someone else na, you know, na kailangan mo i-clear with your person. Okay? Yeah. No? So, also, Aquarius, be confident, no? In your situation. Express kung anong kailangan mong sabihin when it comes kung meron mang, you know, problema sa inyong relationship. Be transparent. Honest conversation is needed, no? To correct it for some of you. Okay? Yeah. Okay? When it comes to your work or whatsoever, you know, you need to be confident also sa work mo. It's like, parang feeling mo, kung ano man pong nangyayari sa relationship nyo, kung meron mang deception and all that. But you yourself, meron kang confidence sa sarili mo. You know na you can do it, no? With or without this person. Okay? Alright? So, Aquarius, yes. Third party, no? Merong pain, past experience or pain na nangyari, no? So now, there is a stalemate, parang hindi pagkakaintindihan. Trustworthiness ang problema, no? Yeah. Okay? So, it seems that your person also is willing to compromise. Kailangan ng honest conversation sa inyong dalawa. Okay? So, Aquarius, these are the messages for you. Maraming salamat and see you on the next video. Bye!